Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Management Blueprint for Withholding Reduction, and how dividend investors can reduce underpayment risk, manage withholding more efficiently, and avoid surprise tax bills. First, the process begins by reviewing all dividend sources. This includes taxable brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, foreign investment accounts, and any accounts that pay regular, special, or reinvested dividends. By listing every source clearly, investors can see which accounts generate the most income and which statements or tax forms will be needed at the end of the year. Next, after identifying the sources, it is important to estimate annual dividend income. Instead of waiting until tax season, investors should project expected dividends for the year in advance. This means separating qualified dividends from ordinary dividends, including foreign dividends where applicable, and updating estimates whenever the portfolio changes. As dividend income increases, the tax exposure may also increase, so early planning can prevent problems later. After that, the next step is to check current withholding. Many investors already have withholding taken from wages, pensions, or other income sources, but that withholding may not fully cover taxes owed on dividend income. Therefore, investors should compare current withholding with expected total tax liability and identify possible shortfalls as early as possible. It is also useful to confirm payroll or plan provider settings so the correct amount is being withheld throughout the year. Then, tax bracket awareness becomes very important. Dividend income should not be reviewed alone because it combines with wages, business income, interest, gains, and other household income. Investors should estimate their effective or marginal tax exposure and understand how qualified dividend rates may apply. At the same time, deductions, credits, and capital gains should also be considered because they can affect the final tax result. In addition, investors may need to adjust their W-4 or an equivalent withholding form. If expected dividend income is high, increasing payroll withholding may help cover the extra tax liability. For married couples or households with multiple income sources, adjustments should be coordinated carefully so withholding is balanced and not duplicated. A practical buffer can also help protect against variable income or unexpected dividend increases. Moving forward, estimated tax payments may be necessary. When withholding is not enough, quarterly estimated payments can help keep taxes on track. These payments should match dividend cash flow whenever possible, and confirmation records should be saved for each payment. This step can help reduce penalties from underpayment and make filing season less stressful. At the same time, foreign withholding credits should be managed carefully. Some foreign dividends may have tax withheld before the income reaches the investor. For this reason, documentation from brokers should be saved, eligibility for foreign tax credits or deductions should be reviewed, and double tax surprises should be avoided where possible. This area can be more complex, so extra attention is often needed. Finally, the plan should be tracked, reviewed, and updated throughout the year. Investors should compare estimates with actual dividend payments, reconcile totals with year-end tax forms, and monitor changes in both portfolio income and withholding. Before year-end, reviewing tax exposure can give investors time to adjust withholding or make estimated payments before it is too late. Overall, withholding reduction is not about ignoring tax responsibility. Instead, it is about managing dividend income in a smarter and more organized way. By reviewing dividend sources, estimating income, checking withholding, understanding tax brackets, adjusting forms, planning estimated payments, tracking foreign withholding, and updating the plan regularly, investors can reduce underpayment risk and create a smoother tax experience. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered tax, legal, or financial advice. Tax rules vary by country, income level, filing status, and personal situation, so always consult a qualified tax professional before making tax decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.